Hi, Shar. Look. Hello, Mama. Come here.
You hold me too?
Of course. Oh, look at this little babe.
You hold me too?
I can't. I gotta hold the video.
Maybe I can hold it.
You want to hold the video? Here, hold it sideways. Gotta look this way. You're videoing me.
I know you take me down. I need help.
You got in pretty good. What? Oh, Grandpa left you a Smartie in the middle of the night? He knew you'd come in and play with Shar. Here you go, little girl. Lucky little girl. You're okay, Tara. We're gonna go on a walk. Just gotta feed Mrs. Goose, right? Okay, we put lots of bread in the sand for them, so when you come back to me, then they'll come up to the beach and get warm. Oh, here they come. Hi, girls. Not really the best thing for their diet when it's cold out, but they didn't really like the chicken feed that much. What a pushy goose! Look, Quinn doesn't even flinch. She just says, "They don't have teeth, Mom." Oh my gosh, we just got home from walking. Look at my walking and feeding the horses at the barn. And my boots came that Daddy got me.
It's you yesterday.
Did you have fun today? We were out at the lake for 2 hours. Nice egg.
Yes,
Who laid that egg?
A unicorn.
A leghorn?
This is complicated.
Wow.
Good complicated.
Carmen sat on it?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes, about to take away.
Wow.
Yes, it's about a bully.
Did you see Uncle Roy today? What did Uncle Roy give us? A what? A heater. There's a storm coming.
No,
Wow, these are beautiful.
and
Ooh, what's that? Doing the dishes. What do you think?
It's really good.
Snowed. Just a little bit. Isn't that pretty?
It's sparkling.
It's sparkling.
Yay. Hey. It's a good for the storm.
Yeah.
And Icy's sleeping back there.
It's gonna snow a lot more.
It's so cute.
Alright, so I'm just freshening up the hay a little bit. I already did their water. I got their water heater plugged in. and they have their heater plugged in. I'm gonna go run another extension cord to put their heater back on. Hi, Carmen. You making a nest? Uh-oh. Here comes Red Hen. No, Red Hen, no. God, wicked Red Hen. You're wicked. And I found them this morning all under here. They're all in the area beneath the coop, probably where it's a little warmer. So I really packed that full of hay for them for tonight. And most likely Saturday, during the worst of the wind and the snow, I'll put them in the garage. Okay, I ran a separate extension cord for the basement, and there's a new extension cord coming out of the garage. And this separate one is just gonna power the hot water, the water heater. Sorry, I'm ducking. And then the one coming out of the garage is powering the heater in there and the lights. So this is a whole separate one because I thought that would be overload on the one electric panel. So there's a whole separate one just for the water. Alright, they don't want to come out in the snow. I don't blame them. Alright, girls. We're going to a play date. I'll be right back. Oh, I also wanted to show Phantom. I zip tied these, and I'm just going to come out and bounce snow off the best I can. And I'm sure it's going to fall, but I tried my best to make a little snow-free zone under there for them. You want to come out, Leghorn? It's cold on your toes. Hi, Lip. Oh, you got your foot stuck. Oh, no. My foot's stuck. I got you, babe. I got you. Are you fine? Oh, no. Mommy, pick me up. Don't video me.
When it's in my pocket, it's 100%. So sometimes, like when I don't play with it for a while, it loses some of its energy.
Is it searching for internet or something?
No.
Is it searching location for the weather?
No.
Oh, weird.
No, it loses.
Oh, you know what? Royal wants to play with that ball, or she wants her carrot,
so the
Abby.
energy bar is 100%.